Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Now let's tap on Language, and as you can see right here we've got the list of all previously added languages, so we've got only English right now. So let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the list of the languages which are suggested by Samsung. So no worries if you cannot find the language here, just tap on the three dots icon in this case and tap on All Languages. And as you can see right now this list is much wider. So basically all you have to do, as I said, is to find your language and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, maybe French. Just tap on it, and sometimes, of course, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So just tap on the one. And here your device will ask you if you want to change the language. So simply tap on Set as Default. And as you can see, the French language immediately appears at the very top of this list. And from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. If you've got 2 or 3 different languages added here, all you have to do in order to change it, just tap on the one you'd like to use. Now let's tap on Apply. And again, English is at the very top. If you'd like to remove the languages from this list, tap on Edit, mark the language. As you can see here, you can also reorder them and tap on Remove. Tap on Remove again, and here we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.